everyone, welcome to Cache Walks.
We're heading 2 hours south of Auckland to Hobbiton, to the film set for The Hobbit and Lord of the Rings. We have some caches out there, and this is sort of a maintenance run, but it's also a cache walk where we talk a little bit about two 3D printed caches, where 3D printing has really helped make the caches special. So come and have a look with us.
It's a pleasant drive through the countryside. We're stopping first at our geocache hidden along the road up ahead. We themed the cache using one of Bilbo's buttons. The old button needs replacing, and we have a copy made for us by the Spanish geovlogger named Comepiedras using his 3D printer. We sent him a photo of the button and he designed a new one to match the one needing replacement.
Okay, we're at ground zero for our hide. We call it Bilbo's lost button because it's so close to the movie set. And it's just sitting up here. It just fills in one of the concrete holes here. It's just a little button with a bison tube, very small bison tube here. As you can see, the button has become quite oxidized and you can't get these anymore. They were quite expensive to buy. And yeah, Weta Workshops doesn't sell them anymore. So we now have Comepiedras' button here on a slightly bigger bison tube, which we're going to fit in to replace the older one. And it also gives us a bit easier to get in and out, with the logbook in and out, and maybe a slightly bigger logbook into the bigger bison. So yeah, big improvement on our maintenance run. And it's just going to go in here. Fits in nicely.
Now it's time to improve our next cache along the road closer to Hobbiton. The movie set is just over here. When we put this geocache out, we placed in 2 Hobbit themed trackables.
We're just doing a little bit of a maintenance run here, just while we're down doing the other caches. This one's the camo keeps peeling off it, and it's gets a bit sort of yucky looking. So we've got a new one where it's not tape, it's been painted. So we hope this will last looking a little bit better condition than this one. So down here, we're just going to make a changeover. Okay, putting in a nice new clean logbook. Transferring a piece of swag, a little metal man that someone had left in there before in the old cache. And we're putting in some trackables for people to find, Ninja Turtle one. This little hat. Another one here. And of course we'll put in our part tag too. So there's a few nice things for people to find. There it is, all safe and sound under that rock. Hopefully it'll look a bit nicer when people come.
We're coming up to the ticket office for the Hobbiton film set tour. We'll give you a quick look at Hobbiton.
If you'd like to see our full cache walk here, we will leave a link at the end of this video.
We have a second button hidden a few kilometres away, so you can log a find no matter which way you approach Hobbiton.
Okay, for this one we use Comepiedras' button again, but we have a much bigger bison tube because concrete holes and concrete lampposts vary even within the same lamppost, as you can see here. As you can see, there's one great big hole here, and it's this one in here that we're putting our cache.
Here is his design for the replacement and his 3D printer underway. We're heading into Cambridge for lunch at our favourite cafe, the Ophelia, across the river from the main town in Leamington. I had pork belly salad. Rick had mushrooms with soy and ginger. Yum. We finished by sharing a lovely slice.
Well, that's lunch over with. We're heading up to Auckland now to see another Comepiedras 3D printed cache. Come and have a look at this one.
We're heading to Cornwell Park, a 270 hectare or 670 acre park in the centre of Auckland.
Well, we just parked the car over here in Cornwell Park, and we'll take you over and show you Comepiedras' lovely little 3D acorn. Let's go and have a look. Here's a magnificent tree that it's hidden at. It's a Spanish oak. We've hidden it out here on the drip line of the tree to make it a little bit easier to find, because if we just said it was on the oak tree, oh, well, where would you know? Where would you look for it? So we put it just up here in under the leaves. There's Comepiedras' little acorn, 3D printed acorn, and of course we just hang it up on the tree.
Unfortunately, it needed to be archived, as the containers are just too cute and they keep getting taken. We're looking for another oak tree, so if you're in Auckland and have any suggestions, please let us know.
Well, this brings us to the end of our cache walk. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up so more people can watch. And don't forget to go geocaching.